In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Maps arrow on wrong directions. If your blue arrow or the Street View scene seems to point the wrong way, it can make turns confusing and routes look off. The good news is that this is often just an orientation issue inside the browser, and you can correct it in a minute. Start by identifying what's actually wrong. Notice whether turns are being called out in the opposite direction, or the Street View camera doesn't match the road you're facing on the map. If the roads and labels look fine but the arrow or camera is misaligned, you're in the right place. We'll realign the view so the map and the compass agree. Give your browser a quick reload. A simple refresh clears small glitches that can throw off how Maps renders direction or orientation. Wait for the page to fully reload so all map tiles and controls reset. Now open Google Maps on your desktop at maps.google.com. You don't need any special settings for this, but make sure the page finishes loading before you continue. Enter Street View. On desktop, you can click into a location's Street View thumbnail or drag the little pegman icon onto the street. This puts you inside the panoramic view where the compass is easiest to read. Look to the top left for the compass. The red tip of the needle marks north. If north isn't pointing straight up relative to the map, your view is rotated. Rotate the view manually to realign it. Click and drag left or right inside Street View until the red N on the compass is aligned to the upward position. As you rotate, check that the road you're on lines up with the map beneath it. If you've spun too far, simply drag back or click the compass once to snap north to the top. When the view looks correct, open Directions. Click the Directions button to bring up the route panel. Make sure your starting point and destination are correct. Confirm the addresses and verify that the start and end aren't accidentally swapped. If they are, use the swap arrows to flip them. With the view aligned and the route set properly, your arrow and turn guidance should now match the actual map. That's it. A quick reload, a Street View compass check, and a manual rotation usually resolve wrong direction arrows on desktop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate with confidence.